Hi, Janelle Schaefer with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I'm really glad you're here today. And in today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Mountain Rose Herb Home Harmony Essential Oil Kit. Mountain Rose Herbs Home Harmony Essential Oil Kit, and it is the cutest kit. And I know that they are a very sustainable company. I have an affiliate link, and in most of my videos I do talk about their herbs as being really great and high quality. So they sent this to me to give my review and opinion on this oil kit. And I love the packaging, like recyclable material. It is really great. I really love it because I really am for zero waste myself, being a nature plant person. So I'm going to open it up and see how this kit, how it is in the inside. I'm going to open it up. So I just opened my kit and I set it up here nicely. It has these little window spaces that the oils go in, and there is lavender, Ylang Ylang, clary sage, geranium, and sweet orange. So I just wanted to show you it before I actually open and use the oils. So I just opened the lavender and I just tried it. It smells very much like lavender. It's very nice. Lavender and lavandin are in the lavandula genus, and lavandin is a form of lavender that is very high in producing essential oil. So this is nice. It's floral, smells very natural, does not smell chemically. It smells really good. Go ahead. So Reese has clary sage, and that is the next oil in this kit, and it is for restlessness and well-being. Has a slight bitter aroma with gentle floral notes. So what do you think, Reese?
Well, smells like pine a little bit.
Smells like pine. Do you like it?
Yes.
What else? So it does have like a citrusy pine scent. I would probably want this for like a cleaning scent versus using in a diffuser. I think it would be nice to put into like a sudsy bucket and clean with it. I think that's what it reminds me of. Okay, so the next oil is Ylang Ylang, and Ylang Ylang is one of my absolute favorite scents and essential oils. So before I give you my opinion, I'm going to let this guy tell you his. Go ahead, Abram, smell it. What do you think?
It smells nice.
Anything else? Just nice?
I think Ylang Ylang sounds a little like Chinese.
It does. Do you want to smell one more time? Does it remind you of anything?
Rosemary?
Reminds you of rosemary? Okay, thanks. Okay, so the Ylang Ylang is really, really good. I can tell this is good quality, and I just want to look down here. It's for positive mood, and it definitely is. I know it is usually used for, you know, changing moods, changing the environment. I don't really feel like it has a rosemary smell, but maybe as a child I could see that. It's a very floral, almost fruity kind of smell, maybe a hint of that rosemary scent, but I would definitely diffuse this, and I would definitely use this topically. It's very nice. So the next one is geranium, and geranium On the Mountain Rose Herb card that you get in the kit, it tells you a little bit about each of the oils and what to do with them, what's the best use. Geranium is supposed to be paired with Ylang Ylang, and I could see that they're both for positive mood. Often the floral things, the floral herbs, the floral scents are very, well, think of rose or even lavender. You're smelling these flowers and it's just like, you know, a sea of gorgeous scent. So this geranium is really nice. I could put that with the Ylang Ylang in a diffuser or in a spray bottle or topically. Very, very nice. It smells very pure. So my last oil is the sweet orange, and I think this is probably my favorite, but I really love citrus scents and citrus oils. It smells very pure. It smells exactly like sweet orange. And I've had a Young Living account for over a decade, so I think my scent and palette is pretty well defined as far as essential oils go, and I've seen a dip in Young Living quality over the years, but I'm really happy with these Mountain Rose Herbs oils. They smell really pure, really good. This one I would use pretty much topically in a spray bottle. I would clean with it. I would use it in all sorts of ways. Any kind of like room you wanted to really like freshen up. I just love the citrus smell for freshening. So great oils, great kit. I think it would make an awesome gift. And if you look at my description down below, you can link over to Mountain Rose Herbs and buy this kit and just click through their tabs. They have a whole tab section at the top. You need to find their essential oils, or you can put their Home Harmony essential oil kit in the search box after you link over there and get that. And every time you purchase through my links, it actually will help my channel grow. It helps me to be able to keep making these videos for free. So I super duper appreciate that. And like, subscribe, leave a comment, and thanks, and come again.